Hello and welcome back to the Clicks and Conversions classroom. In today's lesson, we're focusing on how to create a Facebook page-like ad. This type of ad will help you overcome the awkward audience building stage on Facebook and create that initial foundation of social proof. Social proof is when a person comes to your Facebook page and sees that you have 1,000 people who like your Facebook page. They instantly feel like you're more of a reputable and trustworthy company because you have an initial base of fans and followers. So, when you're doing your Facebook page-like ad, you can guesstimate that it'll cost you roughly 50 cents per like, and often less. So, in essence, you could get 500 Facebook likes on your page if you're willing to invest roughly $250. So without further ado, let me show you how to set up a small Facebook page-like ad campaign. The first step is heading to your Facebook page. When you're on your Facebook page and you're an admin of the page, there's a promote button in the upper right-hand corner. When you click on the promote button, you have the option to promote your website, your business, or you can see option 3 here is to promote your page. So for the sake of this example, this is the option we're choosing. The screen that pops up is where you'll be creating your Facebook page-like ad. You might notice what defaults in your ad is your cover photo and your about description. These are things you may choose to change depending on the audience that you're targeting your ad to. So, if you've already filled out your preferred page audience from lesson 1, then your audience will automatically default to your preferred page audience. If you'd like to choose a different audience, you can go to the edit button on the ad creative. The ad creative will allow you to not only change your ad creative, but also your audience. So your ad copy is what you see over here. And oftentimes this is something that gets cut off on a page-like ad, so I recommend you edit it. Okay, so once you've typed in the text that you want, the text that you put here, of course, it needs to be short and sweet, and it should also catch the attention of the person that you're targeting. This particular product is a healthy ice cream. People interested in healthier foods tend to see words like organic and wholesome ingredients as keywords that they're attracted to, so we're adding them in our text. Again, the image that it chooses will default to your Facebook cover photo, and if you'd like to change it, you can simply upload any image from your computer using the upload button. When deciding on your audience, you'll decide on their gender, their geographic location, and their interests. So you want to pick interests that will appeal to a wide range of people. If you're, for example, selling yoga classes, you might add interests such as meditation or spirituality, wellness, fitness, nature. So you might kind of diverge a bit from your specific yoga type to try to introduce your brand to people who may or may not be yoga fanatics yet, but could prove to be that great initial base of followers that you're looking for. The last sections that we need to touch on our page-like ad are our daily budget. What's important to note is that they're estimating you should get about 1 page like per dollar. And again, I'm going to reiterate to you, you can really guesstimate that you'll get about 50 cents per page like. So you should be getting 2 page likes for every dollar. So in this case, if I were to add a $5 daily budget and I was going to run the ad for 2 days, that means I'm going to spend a total of $10. Note that this type of ad setup is different than the Boost post. On a Boost post, the daily budget is your total budget. But in this case, your daily budget is how much you're willing to spend each day that your ad is live. Next, you want to make sure that it's charging the correct payment account and that you've run your ad until the date you've specified. So in this case, I want to run the ad for 2 days. So I'm running it through the 19th till the 21st. You can preview your ad in the right-hand panel as to how it will look on desktop and on mobile, as well as the right column. Make sure that your text doesn't get cut off and that you're seeing what you would like it to show like for your audience. All right, so then the last thing that you'll do is hit the promote button once you've approved the language and ad that you created. And upon completion, you'll see this received order notice. They'll reiterate to you what locations you've targeted and what interests you've targeted. They'll also let you know how long the ad will run for and what your total budget is. So I would be very aware of this. So in this case, I thought I was running the ad for 2 days, and it's now telling me I'm running it for 4 days. So I would go in, I would delete the ad, and then I would be able to recreate the ad if I wanted to edit that. All right, so once you have your ad set up, you'll close your ad page. And at this point, what you should begin to see is your likes down here begin to climb. You can also head into your ad manager in order to review the ad itself and what kind of results you're getting from the ad. So when you're in Ad Manager, the very first step is to choose which ad account you'd like to preview. And then once you click on that ad account, what will appear in your Ad Manager are all the active ads you currently have running. And there you should see one that shows that it is for your promoting your page. And that the one that says promoting and then your page name, that is your page like ad. And at that point, you can look through and you'll begin to see how many results you have. That's how many page likes you created, how many people you've reached out of your audience, and what it has cost you. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to you all creating your page like ads to help you get to those first milestones of 500 and 1,000 page likes on your Facebook page.